Hello students, good afternoon. Hope you all are fit and fine. So dear 8th class, in our last session, we learnt about unfortunate Ignatius, right? Then brave Sanjeev, who was a policeman. He managed to save himself and his wife and his baby daughter, right? But was not able to save John and his wife. Then we learned about a fortunate Meghna. Meghna was 13-year-old girl. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held on to a wooden door and kept floating on it for 2 days. She was brought to the shore by a wave and saved. So she was fortunate enough that she saved, right? So next, the story of Almaz. Here, it is the tragedy of Almaz. A tragedy happened to him. Almaz was 10 years old. The family was sleeping, but her father had woken up. She was 10 years old, Almaz. When the family was sleeping, her father was awakened up. He saw the water receding after the tremors. He knew it would come back with great force. Means the water was proceeding backward, right? And it will come with great force. He woke everyone trying to rush to a safer place. As they ran, his father fell down. Alma's father rushed to help him. Then came a big wave and swept them both away. Her mother and aunts were washed away too. They were swept away with the tree they were holding on to. So thus the family swept away, right? Right, thus the family swept away. So we have studied about here Almaz. Now a log of wood. Almaz saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. She woke up in a hospital in Kamorta, right? So after some time, when Almaz had a look of wooden log, she hauled it, and when she woke up, she found herself in a hospital in Komata, right? So here in the second part, we will learn about intelligent Tilly, right? The main character of the story. The next story we are going to study here. This is a story from Thailand. The story is very important, dear students. So listen to it very carefully. Question will come from there, right? This is a story from Thailand. Tilly's father had come to Thailand from England to celebrate Christmas, right? It was December 26th. She was standing with her father on the beach. Tilly and her mother, Penny Smith, both saw the water swelling. The beach was getting smaller and smaller every moment. They saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam. Tilly saw the sea making whirlpools. Right. So, what were the bad signs? Tilly's mother was not alarmed by these signs because Tilly's mother didn't know anything about these signs. Tilly remembered the video that her geography teacher had shown in the class 2 weeks before. You will see here how how the subject teacher or the teacher who taught Tilly about the earthquakes, how she used the learning and right and save his family, right? We will see here. So here we had come to know that Tilly remembered the video that was shown by her teacher in the class 2 weeks before. It occurred to her that these were the sure sign of tsunami, and she recalled the learning taught by her teacher. Then it was clear to her that the signs of tsunami these were. She screamed and asked her family to go off the beach. The mother didn't sense anything terrible. She, however, felt that her daughter must be right. Tilly, the savior, Tilly's parents took her and her sister to the swimming pool at the hotel. Many others also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come after them. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the force of the tsunami. Means the tsunami could not harm to the building. If they had stayed on the beach, I would have been. Means, oh, surely they would have been dead if they had stayed on the beach. So thus Tilly and her learning saved the family and many other people also. So how the animal senses such type of natural calamities? Let us see. The animal sense here. Some people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. They have a sixth sense. Tsunami killed 1,50,000 people, but only a few animals died. In Yala National Park, the line is very important, students. See here, in Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were washed away, but only 2 animals died. In the same park, people had observed 3 elephants run away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. Why? Because the animal had the senses that something wrong would going to be happen. Right? That's why the elephant ran away. A man on the coast near Gale in Sri Lanka had 2 dogs. On that fatal day of tsunami, they refused to go to the beach with their master. So the master too stayed back. Thus the dog had saved his life also. Right? So we can say that animals have sixth sense, and with the help of this sixth sense, they can have the gases. They can smell the calamities, or you can say they assume the calamities before, right? And in a way they can save their master. So this was the complete chapter of tsunami we had studied here. Go through it, students, learn it carefully, and then learn and write the NCERT question of it, right? Okay, students, thank you.